In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save group tabs in Chrome and Brave browser. If you often work with multiple websites at the same time, tab groups can help you stay organized by keeping related pages together in a single cluster. This makes browsing cleaner and easier to manage, especially when switching between different tasks or projects. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create tab groups and how to keep them saved so you can return to them later in both Chrome and Brave browsers. To begin, open either Google Chrome or the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is running, open a few different websites that you would like to organize together. These will be the pages you include in your tab group. Next, locate one of the open tabs at the top of the browser window. Right-click on the tab to open a small menu of options. From this menu, choose the option to add the tab to a new group. Once selected, a new group will be created, and you will be able to assign it a name and color for easier identification. Choose a label that clearly represents the purpose of the group so you can recognize it quickly later. After creating the group, you can continue adding more tabs to it by dragging them into the group or using the same option from the tab menu. This helps keep all related pages organized under one section instead of scattered across your tab bar. To ensure your tab groups are saved and restored later, go into the browser settings. In both Chrome and Brave, look for the section related to startup behavior or appearance depending on the version you are using. Make sure the setting that restores previous sessions or continues where you left off is enabled. This allows your group tabs to reappear the next time you open your browser. Once this setting is active, close your browser normally. When you reopen it, your saved tab groups should automatically be restored, allowing you to continue exactly where you left off without rebuilding your workspace. You can also collapse a tab group when you are not using it, which helps reduce clutter while still keeping all your pages safely stored within the group. This makes multitasking smoother and more efficient. And that is how you can create and save tab groups in both Chrome and Brave browsers, helping you stay organized and improve your overall browsing workflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification